Hey everyone, if the audio isn't working in DroidCam, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get your microphone working again. So let's get started. First, make sure you've enabled the audio option in the DroidCam client before connecting your phone. If audio is turned off, your computer won't receive sound from your device. Next, check that you've given the DroidCam app permission to access your phone's microphone. Yeah, without microphone permission, the app won't be able to capture any audio. Now open the app you're using, such as Zoom, Discord, OBS Studio, or Microsoft Teams, and make sure DroidCam audio is selected as the microphone input. If another microphone is selected, switch it to DroidCam. If you're still having problems, disconnect DroidCam, restart both the mobile app and the PC client, then reconnect and test the microphone again. You should also update both the DroidCam app and the PC client to the latest version. Updates often fix audio bugs and improve compatibility. If the issue continues, restart both your phone and computer. In many cases, a simple reboot resolves microphone detection problems, and that's it. Those are the best ways to fix DroidCam audio not working. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next